activity.
I know what you're doing. You're First Amendment frauditor. I get it.
It's constitutionally protected activity. Why am I being detained?
I know your game. It's okay.
Then why are you even here?
I don't want to play with this game with you, okay?
Why am I being detained?
I explained to you several times
why am I being
I'm here
detained?
investigating a suspicious person.
Am I going to be arrested if I don't provide you that information?
You are starting to interfere with my investigation. I know who you are. I know what you're doing. Stand by.
Okay.
I need to get my notepad.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story features Jeff Gray from Honor Your Oath Civil Rights Investigations. Jeff is one of the OGs in the auditing and civil rights community, with his earliest videos dating back over 10 years. During the Thanksgiving holiday weekend of 2020, Jeff was filming from the corner of Alma and Fairview, an intersection with a four-way stop in front of the Southeast Health Medical Center. While filming, he observed multiple first responder vehicles running the stop signs. After filming for some time, a representative of the hospital security comes out to talk to Jeff.
Why you videotaping?
I'm sorry, who are you?
I'm security with the hospital.
Okay, what's your name?
Daniel?
Daniel, okay. Yeah, just videotape.
You can't videotape.
I beg to differ,
Why?
because I'm standing on a public sidewalk.
Well, that's true, but why you videotaping the hospital?
I'm just curious about what's going on. I'm doing investigatory surveillance
With who?
with me. It's an ongoing investigation, so I don't want to give up any tip my hand or anything like that.
Okay.
But I will say that ambulances tend to run this stop sign every single time. So I guess I kind of tipped my hand a little bit there, but okay.
The security guard leaves and reports Jeff to the Dothan Police Department, and as Jeff departs, Officer Kevin Fisher arrives on scene.
How you doing?
Can you come over here in front of my car so my camera can watch you, please?
Yeah, sure. Am I being detained?
You are. For the duration of this investigation. Can you step over here in front of my
For
camera,
what reason?
please? Sir, I'm investigating a suspicious person.
Okay.
Don't play games with me, okay? I know what you're
I'm
doing.
engaged in lawful activity.
I know what you're doing. You're First Amendment frauditor. I get it.
That's
Just
constitutionally
step over
protected
here, okay?
activity. Why am I
Step
being
over.
detained?
Because you're creating a disturbance. All right, step over here.
This is constitutionally protected activity.
Sir.
You cannot make it a crime.
Sir, you are creating a disturbance.
What is your name and
I'm
badge number?
investigating the disturbance.
What's
okay?
your name and badge number?
Officer Fisher, 1146.
Okay, my name is
Police
Jeff.
Department, K9.
I'm with Pennac
Okay,
News Services.
Listen.
I got my ID in my pocket if you want to see
You
it.
don't dictate what happens here. I need to talk to you.
No, the Constitution.
Let me talk to you, okay?
The law and the Constitution
Sir,
dictates what happens. I'm on a public sidewalk.
Stop. I
Engaged
know
in
your
Constitution.
game. It's okay.
Then why are you even here?
I don't want to play with this game with you, okay?
If you know my game,
you
then
are
you know I'm...
intentionally creating a disturbance
No, I'm
in
not.
order to create a lawsuit. That's what you want to do. I get that. I acknowledge that that is your profession. I understand that is how you make your money.
What law am I breaking?
I'm doing my job.
What law am I violating?
You're creating a disturbance and you're bothering folks over here.
What law am I
I'm here to investigate why. So, what I'm going to do is do a report on this incident to rule you out as potential stalker from one of the employees. If any of these employees get their vehicles damaged or anything, I need to know where to look. Because it's not normal for somebody to be filming people exiting a hospital. For all I know, listen, let me talk. I'm talking, not you.
Go ahead.
For all I know, you are stalking somebody at the hospital.
Nope.
Either an employee. I don't know that.
Nope.
I don't know you.
I don't know that. That's, so you don't have any reasonable grounds for...
But I have to investigate.
I'm engaged in a lawful, constitutionally protected activity, and I'm going to be on my way. I'm leaving right now.
I need your driver's license.
I'm leaving right now.
No, I'm doing a report because I don't know what you are or what you're doing.
If I don't give you my driver's license, what's going to happen?
Okay, listen, sir.
I asked you a simple question.
I've explained to you.
And I've told you that
investigating
I've told you,
a suspicious person
listen,
who is causing a disturbance at a
the ambulance is
private
constantly
hospital.
running the stop sign.
Private hospital.
The ambulance is running the stop
For all
sign.
I know, you
I'm
could be
filming
stalking.
that.
I don't know you. Okay, I don't know if that's the truth.
Yeah,
you might be stalking or harassing an employee or a patron at the hospital.
I'm not.
So I'm going to be doing a report.
My name is
so
Jeff.
that if something
I work
comes
with Pennac News Services.
I can go ahead and rule you out.
And I'm on your
investigate you further. Provide me with your driver's license.
I don't have my driver's license on me.
Okay.
My name is Jeff.
I've asked you several times to step in front of my car.
I'll
so
step in front of the
camera.
Okay.
Stand right there.
All right.
Now, if you don't have a driver's license, then I don't care. I'm not here to harass you about being on the sidewalk. I want this video camera behind you to watch you.
Okay.
Okay? I want it to be catching all of this interaction. Okay. You have yours. That's great. That's cool. I look forward to seeing myself on YouTube.
I've got to get back to work.
All right? No. I got to do my job. You have caused me to come here. That's what you've done. So now I'm here performing my duties.
Can I explain to you what I was doing?
With my duties.
Can I explain to you what I was doing?
You're going to be providing me with your social security number, your driver's license number, if you know it, your date of birth, your address, and your full name.
Am I free to go?
No, you are not.
And why am I being detained?
I explained to you several times
why am I being
I'm here
detained?
investigating a suspicious person.
Am I going to be arrested if I don't provide you that information?
You are starting to interfere with my investigation. I've explained to you I have to do a report on this, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So don't make this a crime. allow this to be what it is, where I do a report on the incident, and that's it. Okay, but if you want to interfere with me doing that, which is my job,
I want you to do. I want you. Your job is to respect my rights and protect my rights.
It's obstructing governmental operations. Do you have any questions about that?
No, I do not.
Okay, good. I'm going to be removing my notepad. I'm going to request that information from you. Are you going to provide it?
I'm not
If you don't provide it, then I have already explained to you what I'm here, what I'm doing, what I'm investigating, and the fact that I'm going to be doing a report, which is part of my job. And if you don't provide the information that I'm asking for that report, because you have caused this situation and me to be brought here, yes, you will be arrested for obstructing governmental operations.
My name is Jeffrey, under duress.
Stand by. Okay. I need to get my notepad.
Officer Fisher begins his lecture by using the term frauditor, a popular term used by many channels on YouTube who disagree with the many who express their First Amendment rights, in a way that tests state actors in both their understanding of the civil rights they are personally charged with protecting, and how many of those rights they will freely violate to shore up a flawed ego. In most encounters like this, the government employee is ashamedly nescient of the fundamental freedoms that this country was founded upon. In others, the state officials exhibit a deeply ignorant stance, allowing the citizens' liberties to be trampled upon to soothe the feelings of another, often themselves. By using the term frauditor, Officer Fisher displays that he is fully aware of the auditing community, what they do, and what it is they aim to protect. But instead of asking questions or listening to Jeff's explanation of events, the officer speaks over Jeff for nearly 4 full minutes, which shows he isn't interested in investigating the incident. Officer Fisher seems to have decided on the outcome of this encounter well before making contact, leaving no room for an investigation, and nothing to obstruct. Jeff's First and Fourth Amendment rights have already been violated, but Officer Fisher continues with the threat of arrest.
This doesn't have to be this way. I know who you are. I know what you're doing. Okay, I know what
so you know who I am.
Like you do.
You know what I'm doing. You know that I'm engaged in constitutionally protected activity.
I don't know you specifically.
So your qualified immunity is gone, dude.
Look,
Fisher.
Bro,
Fisher, your qualified immunity is out the window.
A suspicious person.
Your qualified immunity is
performing a very suspicious act.
Your qualified immunity is gone.
You can say that all you want to.
I was up there recording ambulances.
Look, you have.
Will you be quiet for a second for me to talk, please?
This isn't.
Can I tell you what I'm trying to, Officer Thomas?
I'm not worried about what.
The reason I was up there is that
I'm worried about what you're
ambulances
doing.
are running.
Not here for you.
Ambulances are running the stop sign. Ambulances are running the stop sign. I'm documenting that. That's why I'm doing it.
That's great.
My name is Jeffrey Marcus Gray.
Jeffrey. How do you spell Jeffrey?
Jeffrey, and I'm doing this under protest, under duress, and under threat of arrest.
Not threat. Explanation. I've given you an explanation.
No, you just said if I don't give you this, if you don't give me this information, you're going to arrest me.
Your middle name, sir?
Marcus.
Marcus? M-A-R-C-U-S?
That's correct. Last name is spelled G-R-A-Y.
G-R-A-Y?
Correct. Born January 8th, 1970. 1870.
Where do you live?
I'm from St. Augustine.
St. Augustine?
Yep.
Is that in Florida?
Yep.
What brings you up to Dothan to film this?
I'm not answering you for the question. Providing my name, my date of birth.
That's fine.
That's all I'm giving. And I've told you the reason I'm filming is to film ambulances.
Where do you say that in St. Augustine?
I'm not giving any more information.
Again, I'm conducting an investigation on a suspicious person, and if you are in fact harassing somebody, stalking somebody, planning to assault somebody by filming their freaking daily activities so that you can plan your assault, I want to know where you live so I can go and get you if that ends up happening. So what's your address?
My address is 19. When am I free to
What's
go?
your phone number?
I have to give you my phone number, man.
Hey, look, I'm doing a report. It's one of my little things to get this report approved that it has your phone number. You don't want to provide me your phone number? That's fine. What's your social?
I'd rather not give you my social either.
Well, I have to positively identify you. So what's your social? You don't have a driver's license, or I would use that.
I don't have my driver's license.
Okay, then that's what I would normally use, but since you don't have that, I have to use another means.
There's all these people standing around. I'm about to give you my...
Let's step over here and go ahead and give it to me quietly, so that way nobody hears. Do you want to put your phone on mute so YouTube doesn't hear?
No, I'll just edit that out.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right, I got to get back to work, man. I'm only on my lunch break, so the longer this takes, the worse it is on you.
The worse it is on me. I'm gonna run here. Okay.
You guys have body cameras? Yes.
I'm still waiting on a return of your information. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and explain to you. Well, actually, first I need to know, were you on the sidewalk the entire time?
Yes, sir. Sidewalk.
Okay. So I'm going to advise you, all right? The hospital owns that side of the road and this parking lot, and they don't want you on the property.
Okay.
So obviously, you know as well as I do that sidewalks and public roadways are obviously sidewalks and public roadways where you're allowed to be.
Okay, there's a sidewalk that goes down that road. Is that okay?
You're completely good on the public roadways and the sidewalks. Okay. Now, obviously, you understand that your actions are creating a disturbance with the employees and the parishioners of the hospital. Whatever you're doing here, regardless, okay, legal reason, I don't know. I'm just doing a report on the incident because of the disturbance that's going on. Okay, you do you. As long as you stay on the public property and you don't end up bothering anybody, I'm never going to see you again. I hope to God.
I'm free to go.
I'm waiting on your information return. As soon as that information comes back, you're good to go.
So I'm still being detained.
Stand by. Yes, you are. Okay. Until I know that you're not a wanted murderer.
I do have to get back to work. I do have to get back to work.
Well, you have to wait on the computer at this point. All right? I didn't create the situation. I'm just here to deal with it. Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay. Again, my name is Officer Fisher, ID number 1146 with Oakland Police Department's K9.
Okay, thank you. I'm not going to take up too much of your time. I'm just waiting on this return. As long as they don't take too long, I'll get you on your way. If they start taking too long, I'm going to get you loose. All right.
Sound legitimate?
You got body camera and dash camera?
Yes, sir, I do. And so is my partner.
Catching those back there.
I'm trying to put my hands on. I don't have any weapons on me. I'm just going to keep my hands out.
You are free to go. Have a good rest of your day.
Jeff was allowed to leave after being detained against his will without reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime and identified. Section 15-5-30 of the Alabama Code covers authority of peace officer to stop and question. It states that an officer may stop any person abroad in a public place whom he reasonably suspects is committing, has committed, or is about to commit a felony or other public offense and may demand of him his name, address, and an explanation of his actions. Phone numbers and social security numbers are not required information, and no officer can compel speech. Demanding an explanation of your actions is wildly unconstitutional. Any officer can ask anyone questions in a consensual conversation, but the officer abandoned his oath when he officially detained Jeff and demanded his identifying information. To date, no lawsuit has been filed, as Jeff has been unable to find an attorney to take the case because there were no lasting damages that would guarantee a decent settlement. This is unfortunately the way the justice system works in the US. Even if a case has the possibility to make a lasting impact, create policy change within corrupt departments, and will safeguard the rights of the people, most lawyers won't touch it unless they can fill their coffers. Jeff continues to record and is involved in many cases around the country. If you haven't already, I highly recommend you head over to his channel and let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.